Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two top-notch dash cams, the PRUVEEO D90-4CH and the FOCUWAY D2-Duo. Get ready for some serious dash cam action. Let's kick things off with our first contender, the PRUVEEO D90-4 carbon monohydride. This bad boy features not one, not two, but 4 cameras. That's right, you get a front camera, a rear camera, and even 2 cabin cameras. It's like having eyes all around your vehicle. Now let's turn our attention to the FOCUWAY D2-Duo. This dash cam means serious business with its 4K Ultra HD resolution and dual lens recording. It captures front camera footage in stunning 4K and rear camera footage in Full HD 1080p. Say goodbye to blurry videos. When it comes to price, the PRUVEEO D90-4CH comes in at $189, while the FOCUWAY D2-Duo is priced at $159. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the D2-Duo might be the way to go. In terms of camera quality, both dash cams deliver impressive results. The D90-4CH boasts a 150-degree super wide-angle lens, while the D2-Duo offers 4K Ultra HD resolution. It's a tough call, but if you're all about that crystal clear footage, the D2-Duo takes the win here. When it comes to night vision, both dash cams excel. The D90-4CH's infrared lights and sensitive night vision image sensor ensure clear recordings in the dark. But the D2-Duo's advanced Sony STAR-VIS sensor and f/1.5 aperture lens take night vision to a whole new level. It's like having night vision goggles for your car. Now let's talk about additional features. The D90-4CH offers built-in GPS and tracking speed, while the D2-Duo comes with faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi and 24-hour parking monitoring. It really depends on what you prioritize in a dashcam. Do you want precise GPS tracking or the convenience of Wi-Fi and parking monitoring? The choice is yours. According to online reviews, customers have praised the PRUVEEO D90-4CH for its adjustable cameras, clear pictures, user-friendly design, and quick setup. They also appreciate the built-in GPS and the loop recording feature. On the other hand, the FOCUWAY D2-Duo has received positive feedback for its high picture quality, easy installation, sleek design, and reliable performance. Customers especially love the 4K Ultra HD resolution, dual lens recording, and the 24-hour parking monitoring feature. It's clear that both dash cams have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to personal preference. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the PRUVEEO D90-4CH and the FOCUWAY D2-Duo dash cams. Both are excellent choices, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to get more information on these dash cams. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart buying tips. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and remember, always buy smart, stay smart.